Hi there, Doc Mountain here, and I want to show you how you can recharge your BaatLive coins trading accounts. What you do is you open BaatLive, then the moment you're in, you click the profile tab, the one which is in the bottom right corner. Then from here, what you need to do is you click coin seller, and boom, when you're in, you will be requested to add the payment method, and then you scroll down. If you can choose the country where you're from, but I'm gonna go by USDT. And then you select the payment method, that is USDT TRC20. Then you click save. Beautiful. So you can add more. Then you click back. So it's loading. Okay, beautiful. So now what you need to do is you click trading, and then you click recharge. Okay, so now after clicking recharge, then if you have $50, you can go by 50. If you have 950,000, if you have $100, just like that. But if you want to customize how much you want to recharge with, you can actually click custom recharge and then enter the number of dollars. So we can now go by $15, yeah, right? Or we can go by 16, meaning we're going to receive 152,000 coins. Okay, then you click recharge, and then go by USDT, then click recharge. Okay, beautiful. So here you need to copy the address and click got it. Then you can head on to the wallet where you have dollars. So I'm gonna open my Binance because that's where I have some $16. Click Binance. Then I click wallets the moment I'm in the bottom right corner. Then I will click withdraw. You know what I'm saying? I click withdraw. Then I go by withdraw crypto. Then I will click USDT at the bottom there. Then click send via crypto network. Then I'll need to long press on top there, then paste the address I had copied from BaatLive, then click network, then I'll go by Tron TRC. Make sure that the networks are the same. Then at the bottom there, I will punch in the number of dollars that I want to withdraw from here. So on top there, I will actually paste in the address. So that's what I'm gonna do here, and then you'll see this. So when you see this, don't you worry, you can head on back to BaatLive. So I can click back, or I can just click trading. Then if I want, I can log out, then log in. I close the app, then open it again. And boom, they're in. So I can now load some person, right? Can now load some person. Then let's head on to WhatsApp. Let's head on to WhatsApp. Here's a creamer. Okay, so this one has actually sent that. So we are copying the ID. Okay, so this one needs coins for 13 Gs. 13 Gs. How many are those? That's 4,000. Let's head on back to BaatLive. So I'm gonna paste in the ID, then click check. Okay, so Hazer. Then you can punch in the number of coins. How many are there? 4,000, baby. 4,000. And then make sure that you go by user. That's a user. Then click transfer. Then we can actually transfer that, right? And it says that has been successfully sent. I can now take a screenshot and boom, we can share to the person who's bought. And then hazelnut, you can say coin sent. Makes sense. Okay. Voila. On BaatLive. Okay, let's check now. Beautiful, and we have actually done everything.